everyone. Welcome back to Intermediate ESL Listening. I'm your host, Mark, and today we're going to talk about one of my favorite topics. That's right, food. We all eat food every day, but did you know that food can also tell us a lot about different cultures? Today, we'll discuss different types of food, common phrases related to eating, and even some fun food-related idioms. Let's get started. First, let's talk about food preferences. What kind of food do you like? Do you prefer sweet or savory dishes? Do you enjoy eating spicy food? Well, here are some useful phrases when talking about food. I love Italian food, especially pasta. I'm not a fan of very spicy food. I have a sweet tooth. I love dessert. Okay, imagine you're choosing lunch. You think, I love Japanese food, so sushi sounds great. Or maybe, I'm in the mood for something warm, so ramen would be perfect, especially on a cold day. Thinking about your food preferences can help you express your choices more naturally in English. Now, try to think about your own preferences. What's your favorite meal? Let's talk about food from different countries. Every culture has its own traditional dishes. Here are some popular foods from around the world. Italy, pizza and pasta. Mexico, tacos and burritos. Japan, sushi and ramen. India, curry and naan. France, croissants and baguettes. Have you ever tried food from another country? If so, what did you think? English has many food-related idioms. Here are 3 common ones. Piece of cake. This means that something is very easy. That test was a piece of cake. Spill the beans. This means to reveal a secret. She spilled the beans about the surprise party. Here's one I often teach my students. Butter someone up. This means to be extra nice to someone to get something. He's buttering up his boss to get a promotion. And I'm sure you guys are learning this so easily because you're so smart. Okay, so maybe I buttered you up a little there. You should try using these idioms in sentences. Before we finish, here's a fun challenge for you. Try to describe your favorite food in English. Think about this. What ingredients are in it? How does it taste? When do you usually eat it? You can practice speaking by yourself or with a friend. Well, that's all for today's episode. Today we talked about food preferences, international dishes, and fun food idioms. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to practice speaking about food in English. Thanks for being here for another episode of Intermediate ESL Listening. If you did enjoy this episode, please subscribe and share it with your friends. See you next time. Happy eating!